today's video I'm going to celebrate something, and it regards to my how to make a tent video. It gained 1 million views on that video, and I'm really happy about it. So that's why I'm going to be celebrating by making another tent. And it's a different style, so you can make it if you want. Now, I hope you enjoy. So guys, do you remember this room? Well, and if you've guessed it, you're correct. It is the room where I've made how to make the tent video. And this is the very place where I made the tent. And now I'm going to be making another tent here. And I'm going to be removing the guitar. You'll see why. Let's get started. Now I'll have to remove the guitar. Now I'm going to be using my mom's sari, which I've borrowed, of course. You can also use any other light cloth like a curtain or bed sheets, but I'm using my mom's sari. Now what you want to do is take the sari, equally distribute it and hang it over this guitar holder if you have a guitar holder. Otherwise you can improvise. Now that I'm done with that, I have a piece of decoration that, as you can see, I'll be using it to hang. Now it won't fit all the way, so I got another idea, which is this Christmas ornament, the heart one. These both are Christmas ornaments, and I'm hanging it up, and I think it looks cool. Of course, you can use any other Christmas ornaments or ornaments. I have taken down the sari, that is because I wanted to hang these Christmas bells, which I showed you in my Christmas video. Now I am taking the first layer of blankets and I'm arranging it like this. I don't want it to be too big, but I also want it to be spacious. And there goes the second layer, which is a green blanket that I'm also going to arrange in a similar way. I want it to be really comfy when you're sitting in there, and you can use as many layers as you want. And here comes the third layer. Now this is just going to be the top layer, so it's a very thin blanket that I'm using, and you can also do the same. And I've arranged it like this, I'm not tucking it in or anything. And the last but not the least step is to arrange the canopy. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, the green sari is what I'm talking about. Now you can tuck it in if you want, but I want the design to show off. Now I'm adding pillows to make it extra comfortable. And there's the unicorn. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave leave a like and share this video with your friends and families. And please subscribe too. And yet again, thank you for 1 million views on my how to make a tent video. Hope you like this celebration video. And bye!